Reading Pioneers is proud to present Just Me and My Mom by Mercer Mayer. We went to the city, just me and my mom. Mom gave me some money to buy tickets for the train. I wanted to help Mom get on the train, but the steps were too high. So Mom helped me instead. But when the conductor came by, the tickets were gone. So Mom paid the conductor some more money. The city was very busy. I held Mom's hand so she wouldn't be scared. We went to the Museum of Natural History. They had rooms full of old dinosaur bones. I picked up a little dinosaur egg to show my mom. But someone ran up and grabbed it. I wasn't going to hurt it. I tried on some costumes just for Mom, but the museum guard didn't like that. Then we went next door to the aquarium. There were lots of fish in a big tank of water. They had some seals doing a show. Mom got mad because she couldn't find me. I ran up front to get a closer look at the seals. We went to the art museum, but it only had a lot of weird pictures, and I was getting tired. After that, we went to a very nice restaurant for lunch. We didn't stay though. We decided to have a hot dog from a stand. That was more fun anyway. Mom wanted to go to a big store full of dresses and stuff like that. Yuck. Mom even made me try on some clothes. She bought me a new suit. Some guy measured me and stuck pins all over my clothes. We passed by the toys. I found the stuffed animal I always wanted, but Mom said, "It's time to go." We took a taxi to the train station. I got to ride in the front seat. The taxi driver drove real fast. That was cool. I let Mom buy the tickets this time. She said she didn't have enough money to buy more tickets if these got lost. Good idea, Mom. We had fun, just me and my mom. I even stayed awake all the way home. Well, almost. Thank you, readers, for following along with us today to the Little Critters, Just Me and My Mom story. I like this book because as an adult, I can read more from the pictures than when I was a child and just reading the words. Mother showed many expressions and feelings in the story that I didn't recognize when I was younger. I think this is true for all children who don't really see everything a mother does to take care of their child or children. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button as it helps this channel out greatly. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to keep up to date with all future Read Alouds being uploaded every week. Until the next upload, check out some of these other Mother Day videos from this channel and share them with your mother. Well, that's all the time we have for this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.